From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What if you could wake up to the sound of your favorite music with a device that combines the nostalgia of the past with the technology of the future? That's exactly what the Divoom Tech Gadget and Tiivoo-2 offers. This innovative alarm clock is a game changer, bringing together retro design and modern tech to create a truly unique experience. With its full-range speaker and high-quality DSP chip, you can enjoy clear and well-balanced sound that's stable and premium. The texture of the device is also noteworthy, with a sturdy build that feels solid in your hands. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its performance and features. One of the key benefits of the Divoom Tech Gadget and Tiivoo-2 is its Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to stream your favorite music or podcasts with ease. The smart tech integrated into the device also makes it gaming-ready, providing a seamless experience for gamers. In real-life use cases, this product shines, whether you're using it as a traditional alarm clock or as a speaker to enhance your gaming sessions. The result is a device that's not only functional, but also a stylish addition to any room. With its retro design and modern features, the Divoom Tech Gadget and Tiivoo-2 is a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their alarm clock experience. So why not give it a try and discover a whole new way to start your day? As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.